What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob.
It's a little bit scary, always wanna marry. Looking in my diary, and you can stare at it. If you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer.
So guys, today's video is in collaboration with NadulaHair company. They sent me over a bob wig, and if you've been tuned into me, you know I just got back from vacation. So I really want to try something really sophisticated and cute for the fall. And I think that this Yaki bob will be perfect for the fall. So let's go ahead and get into it. So now let's get into the details of our wig. This wig is NadulaHair company's Bye Bye Knots Yaki straight bob wig. And the closure on this wig is 7x5. It does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all those good things, and ready to wear. This is what the inside construction of the cap and the lace looks like. And as you guys can see in the back, it does come with a drawstring elastic band for a very easy, comfortable fit, completely glueless. Alright guys, so now that we've gotten into the details of this wig, I am just going to go ahead and try her on right out of the box. Like I told you guys, it is a 7x5 closure, so this should be an easy install. If you guys are not caught up, I did cut my hair. I did a big chop like a few weeks ago. So if you see this wig kind of big at the top, it's because underneath my hair is not braided or anything. It's literally just a TWA, a little afro, and I put my cap over it. So we are doing what we can with what we got. This is how it looks right out of the box. It fits really, really good. Like, I love how the cap is shaped because it goes around my ear. Like, there's a curvature around my ear to fit perfectly. So that is like amazing. What I'm gonna do with this wig is I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. You guys know this is a Yaki texture, but I want to show you guys just how straight the Yaki texture can get. And then after we straighten her, I am going to add a few curls in here to give it like that really effortless look. So I'm going to show you guys two different looks that you can do with this glueless bob. Let's get into it.
Constantly running off my body, so quick to follow suit. Cause I'm gone from every memory of you. If every attempt just let it go.
Okay y'all, so I have finished straightening the bob, and it is giving, what's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob, 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 Bob. That's what it's giving y'all. I don't know about y'all, but to me, that just made this wig look 100 times better. Now that that's done, I do want to go in with my hot comb too. So just tightening up that elastic band, that elastic drawstring in the back, tucking it into the wig, and y'all, this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. Tell me this is not a look.
Now here's a story about a woman with dreams. So picture perfect, the 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a crooked smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down her black cheek, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture three crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come.
I saw you standing, and I started.
Way more my vibe. I do like this short in the back, long in the front look, but I think that the just even look all around is more my vibe. And it also honestly just made this hair feel a lot fuller. So I am loving it now. let's just go ahead and bump those ends once again. I'm not gonna do like a crazy bump, y'all, but I do want it to give like, what's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob. Tell me what y'all think.
Good luck.
How the bob turned out, I think it looks so good. It's giving grown and sexy. It's giving fall. The one thing I love about bobs is that there's no like, you know how like there's a chestnut, you know, burgundy season, which is fall, and then we have like the blondes in the summer. I feel like it's always bob season, like always, honestly. So let me know down below what you guys think about the bob.
Time will bring the real and the bachelor. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me.
Alright, y'all, so this is actually what I was trying to get with this bob. I want it to be like that messy, flowy look. These type of looks always just give me grown woman. So guys, this is the second look right here. I am actually feeling it. I'm not sure if I like it better straight or curl. So you guys can let me know down below which one you guys like better. I'm feeling both. I think both look really good. And again, this is the Yaki texture, so it looks so natural. I actually love it. Shout out to NadulaHair company once again for sending me over this really pretty bob wig. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure to check out the description box. All the details will be down below. Leave me some feedback while you're at it. Comment down below and let me know if you prefer this wig straight or if you prefer this wig in these cute, messy curls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.